Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring alphabets. White color, black color, yellow color, red color, blue color, green color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Kids, now we coloring alphabets. Kids, first we use blue color. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. Kids, now we coloring C. C for cat. Now we use red color. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. Kids, the next one is E. E for egg. Kids, now we using yellow color. E for egg. E for egg. F for fish. F for fish. Kids, now we coloring G. G for goat. G for goat. Now we use black color. G for goat. Kids, now we coloring H. H for hand. Hand. H for hand. Kids, the next one is I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Kids, the next one is J. J for jackfruit. Jackfruit. Now we using green color. J for jackfruit. Now we coloring K. K for kite. K for kite. Kids, the next one is L. L for lion. And now we using white color. L for lion. Kids, now we coloring M. M for mango. M for mango. Kids, the next one is N. N for nest. Kids, now we coloring O. Kids, now we using again blue color. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for orange. Kids, the next alphabet is P. P for penguin. Kids, now we using red color. Kids, the next one is Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Kids, the next one is R. R for Royal Bengal tiger. Now we using yellow color. Kids, the next one is S. S for sun. S for sun. Kids, the next one is T. T for tiger. Kids, now we use black color. T for tiger. T for tiger. Kids, the next one is U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Kids, the next one is W. W for wolf. Kids, now we using green color. W for wolf. Kids, the next one is X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Kids, the next alphabet is Y. Y for yolk. Now we using white color. Y for yolk. Y for yolk. Kids, the next one is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.